Hi guys, today I am going to be opening September's Birchbox and I'm excited for this one. I also have an exciting announcement for the month of October since it is pretty much my favorite month of the year. I'm going to be posting a video every Thursday plus my Birchbox video for October. So I'm really excited for that. I have a ton of really fun stuff planned for you guys and I hope you enjoy watching. Let's go ahead and get into the Birchbox. Okay, at first glance we have this beautiful box, and this is a different kind of box than we've had before. It slides. I don't know about y'all, but this reminds me of kind of psychedelic lava lamp kind of mood. I don't know, I'm digging it. I love it. I love all the colors. But anyway, like I said, sliding box. Okay, here is our paper of the month. It says, wake up to the skin of your dreams. No, really. This month's curated skincare samples will leave you glowing morning, noon, and night. Get ready to wind down and wake up with these age-rewinding treatments and radiance-restoring masks. Nice. And it has the same kind of lava lamp mood going on. I like it. Alright, I love seeing what color the paper is each month. I like this orange. Okay, let's see. Our first item are these Aceology Hydro Glow Eye Masks, Watermelon. Full size is $29. These eye masks drench your under eye area with an invigorating cocktail of watermelon extract and aloe vera leaf extract. Apply under eye to wake up tired, dull, or dry skin. Nice. Let's see how many are in here. It should just be one pair, I think. Single use only. Yeah, I think it's just a pair. Nice. I'm excited to try those. I've always liked under eye things. I think they're very restoring and refreshing. Now we have the AHA Balance Me Mask. Full size, $29. This face mask will brighten, purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow. That is a mouthful. Smooth over cleansed face and neck, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 15 minutes. So this is a wash-off mask, and I think that's a pretty good size. It exfoliates your skin, purifies your skin. Less than 15 minutes. Our next project is these... oh no, I don't think I've ever said this word. Magnetone. Okay. Magnetone Wipeout Eco-Friendly Makeup Remover Pads. Full size is $20. Okay guys, I'm here to give you my honest opinion. This is the second time I've got this. I was a little disappointed to see it in there, but it's okay. I think it would be a great gift. I've actually, I've been using them and they work fantastically. So, it says full size $20. These remove even the toughest, longest makeup with just warm water. Wet and use a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. To clean, just wash in your normal laundry load. I've never done that. I just wash them off in my sink under the faucet with soap. But pretty easy to use, pretty simple. I'm a fan. Next is this One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, full size, $38. This moisturizer locks in hydration as you sleep to ward off signs of aging like dullness and fine lines. Its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula leaves your skin dewy and glowing. I was actually really excited to receive this one because I've been looking for another night cream. I do have one from Burt's Bees that is fairly good, but it does leave my skin a little greasy, so I'm excited to see how this one works. Okay guys, and that is it for the entire Birchbox. Wait, did you catch it? Just kidding. There's one more. Hopefully you caught that. Hopefully you watch my Birchbox videos enough to know that there's 5 items in each box. Unless you get a special box and you get 6. I love getting those. But anyway, this is our next product. We have the R&Co 1 Prep Spray. Full size is $22. This spray protects hair from heat styling, brushing, and other potential damage, plus helps your other products adhere more evenly. Spritz onto damp, dry hair. Style as desired. Glad I read that because I thought this was a makeup prep spray. That would have been so weird. I don't know what it would have done for my face. I can't smell anything. What am I doing? I've never sprayed this before. Why would I be able to smell it? For some reason, I'm liking the packaging, how it looks like a dollar bill. Kind of. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, I just want to see if it smells. Yeah, that smells for sure like a hair product. Glad I did not spray that on my face, guys. That probably would have burned my eyes. But anyway, glad to use that. I realized that they do send a lot of hair products. I've received several heat protectant sprays, this being one of them. I think I've received 3 more, which is not a bad thing, but I guess I don't use it as much because I still have a hair protectant spray that I'm using, but when that runs out, that's what I'm going to. That for sure. Not for my face, for my hair. Okay, that is it for the September Birchbox. I'm honestly really stoked for next month. I'm hoping there will be some fall themed stuff in there. Hoping. Since it's going to be October, maybe some autumnal colored stuff. Hoping. We'll see. Let's see if I called it. Next month when you go watch my other Birchbox, we'll see what they send. But thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me that you guys watch these videos. Let me know if you're interested in trying Birchbox. The link to their site will be in my description. And make sure you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.